Hello everyone, it's me. Today I'll show you this funny bug that I came across. As you all can see, all of my dragons are multiplied. This funny bug is called double dragon bug. Now check my storage slot. It surpassed 42 slots, see? For me, this bug is not only harmless but also useful, as we can take advantage of merging two of the duplicates. Don't tell anyone that I used this bug to fuse and upgrade the dragons, which are actually false ones. Don't tell me that these dragons belong to a player and I could sell them. Look at how satisfying it is. Okay, let's start over with this dragon. Let me fuse it, the false one. Well, the fact that this bug is totally random, so I cannot tell how to get it. But if you have the chance to meet this bug, you can fuse the dragons. Wait, I'm not supporting you guys to cheat, but as a player, I want to share my gaming experience too. I want to note that you can delete one of the duplicates, dragons, and don't have to worry about which one is the original. Here I delete one of my legendary dragons. At this point, I was wondering if I could sell the original one. Okay, that's all. See you guys around.